Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to learn about concatenate formula in Excel. So what is this concatenate formula used for? The word concatenate is means to join or to combine, and hence this formula is used to combine the data from different cells into a single cell. So as you can see on my screen, I have an example data, I have an example sentence that we are now going to combine into a single cell. So you can see the sentence is, this is an example sentence. So this data I want to combine into a single cell. Suppose the cell is this one. So we'll start writing the formula, and the formula is equal to concatenate. As soon as you write the formula, you will the formula is shown below, and you have to double click on it to activate. So once you activate the formula, it will ask you to select the data that you want to combine, and in this case our data is here. Select the first cell and separate it by comma. Select the second cell, separate it by comma. Sorry. Select the third cell, comma, fourth, and the fifth. After selecting all the cells, you have to close the bracket and press enter. So your data is combined, but grammatically the sentence that we have formed is not correct. There is no spaces between each word. So to add the spaces, we need to add some separate data into the formula, and I'll show you that also. We'll start typing the formula, conc concatenate, activate the formula, and now select the first cell, comma. So after typing the comma, we need to enter the space, and we have to enter the space in between inverted commas only. So start the inverted commas, enter the space, and close the inverted commas, and type comma again, and then select the second cell and comma, and after the second cell also we have to enter the space. So start inverted commas, enter the space, close inverted commas, again comma. Like this you have to do for all the cells here. So let me do it. Third cell, fourth cell, fifth cell. After selecting all the cells and entering the spaces between each word, you have to close the bracket and you have to enter. So now the sentence is correct. So like this you can enter any data if you want to, enter between the combined data that you have got. Not only spaces, you can add any letter you want. Suppose in this case we'll take example of an hyphen. So start the formula, concatenate, double click to activate. Select the first cell, then comma, then in this case we are adding hyphen. So we need to make sure we have to add the hyphen between inverted commas only. So we'll start the inverted commas, we'll enter the hyphen, and we'll close the inverted commas, comma, second cell, close the inverted commas, third cell, fourth cell, comma, fifth cell, and we have to close the bracket and enter. So like this you can enter any letter you want to between the combined data that we have got using concatenate. So like this we can use a concatenate. This is a simple formula, but sometimes it is very useful and it can save a lot of time also. So this is all for now. If you find this video useful, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching the video. See you in my next video.